Hey y'all, welcome back or welcome if you're new. Today we are starting out with a get ready with me real quick. I'm going to do my makeup and get my hair up, and then we are going to get into getting down the Valentine's Day decor, which I didn't put up much this year, so it's very fast. And then we're going to jump into getting some other things cleaned around the house. I've got a lot of trash that I need to get out of here, some laundry to do today. We're also going to be making loaded nachos, which turned out really good, so stay tuned to the end. And I'm going to show y'all how I updated those two areas that we decorated the other day. So since I post pretty much every day, I thought it would be fun to share with y'all what the holiday is each day. And today is the day to celebrate caregivers. So if you're a caregiver, today's your day. February 16th every year. It is also Almond Day. I think I got that right. Some sort of nut. I'm pretty sure it was an almond. Yeah, it has to be. Because they're not really my favorite. Also, I'm eating pizza right now, so I should really try not to do a voiceover while I'm chewing at the same time. There's a few other things, so let me get back to you. Yep, it's National Almond Day. It says Day of Restoration for the state of Lithuania. Do a Grouch a Favor Day. Elizabeth Peratrovich Day. This is another thing. I didn't know that they overlap. There's so many things that are this day. Friday Fish Fry Day is today. Innovation Day. Wanan Luwum Day. Hopefully I said his name right. And then some kind of Yoto Protocol Day. National Caregiver Day. National Tartar Sauce Day, which would go with your fish fry. And then No One Eats Alone. Tim Tam. And then it says different celebrity birthdays. Today is Elizabeth Olsen's birthday. Ice-T's birthday. Super fun. Are you going to celebrate any of those things today? Are you going to eat an almond? Are you going to go out and get a fish fry? Let me know.
Remember the necklace you gave me and where it is? we were younger, we used to sit on the grass among the flowers.
So I'm going to fix those nachos soon. So went ahead and got the kitchen straightened up. Now I'm getting all this trash out to the truck so we can take it off. And actually today is Friday that I'm filming that or editing this. So I do plan to go to Walmart today. So that's going to be in tomorrow's video. I'm pretty excited because I'm sure they have out a lot of spring and Easter decor, and I would love to just take y'all through there and show you everything they got.
It wasn't possible to make us embarrassed, we were free. Do you remember stealing smokes from your parents? Sometimes we got a bit out of control. When they found out we ran from home just to scare them, we were free. When we were 17.
So after we got done filming yesterday, I did switch around decor and add a little bit of decor to the bathroom. So I added some of my perfume bottles that kind of went with the aesthetic that I was going for. I added the faux florals behind the perfume and the little statue right here. And I think this just fills everything out. It looks so nice. And then in the bedroom here I just switched the perfume with the flowers so that it would be more balanced. Now I'm just decluttering the laundry area, as in just putting things where they go. I'm not getting rid of anything over here. And then once I'm done in this area, we're going to fold about 2 loads of laundry that I have washed previously that I just put off folding.
It wasn't possible to make us embarrassed, we were free. Do you remember stealing smokes from your parents? Sometimes we got a bit out of control. When they found out we ran from home just to scare them, we were free. When we were 17. When we were 17. When we were younger, we used to sit on the grass and go, damn, I don't wanna grow old. Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace. We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. It wasn't possible to make us embarrassed, we were free. Do you remember stealing smokes from your parents? Sometimes we got a bit out of control. When they found out we ran from home just to scare them, we were free. When we were 17. When we were 17.
Said he only wanna see his friends. Another week went by and we barely even spoke. Think I'm beginning to read a sequence. Why did you turn your back on me? Maybe there's something I don't see. Could you just shed a little light, shed a little light, shed a little light on me? Shed a little light, shed a little light, shed a little light on me. Why'd you go and leave me here all alone in the shadows? Could you just shed a little light, shed a little light, shed a little light on me? I don't bothered. But I'm getting kinda sick of trying to figure this out on my own. It's almost like you're keeping secrets from me. When did your feelings start to drift? Maybe there's something that I've missed. Could you just shed a little light, shed a little light, shed a little light on me? Shed a little light, shed a little light, shed a little light on me. Why'd you go and leave me here all alone in the shadows? Could you just shed a little light, shed a little light, shed a little light on me? Shed a little light on me. No one likes to get hurt. It's just something that we go through. I deserve to know the truth. How come you let me?
All right, I'm fixing up our loaded nachos. So I just have this, probably like it's just a square casserole dish. I'm going to put however many Doritos or chips you think you will need. You don't have to smush them up, but we do prefer to eat ours where they're already smushed up because we eat it with a fork. So I'm putting a good portion of the chips in this bag, and then I'm going to smush them up and pour them in the casserole dish. Just layer them so that we can start our layers. We're going to do ground beef, nacho sauce, shredded cheese, olives, and green chilies on here. Okay, once those are spread out, I'm going to start layering up the ground beef, which we seasoned with just a packet of taco seasoning. And you can use whatever kind of meat you want. If you want to use pork or chicken, turkey, do your thing. After layering the taco meat, I am adding this nacho cheese, and then I'm just going to spread it out. I ended up using just half a can, but if you're feeding a larger family, you're probably going to use the whole entire can. And you can use whatever brand you want. This is just one we picked up at the grocery store. Okay, next thing I'm going to add is the green chilies, and I'm putting that on the whole entire thing. But when you see me get to the olives, I only put it on 1/2. So that's something else that you could do. If you have someone in your family that doesn't like a certain topping, you could just leave their square like however they want it. I didn't add diced tomatoes, but I think that would be really good. Or the rotel, basically. It would be so good. I'm gonna top my side with the black olives. The last thing I'm going to add before I pop this in the oven is shredded cheese. And we did this on 350 degrees for about 5 minutes, just long enough to heat up the shredded cheese and the nacho sauce. Also, you could add refried beans to this. There's so many things that you could do to this dish. This is just something that we pulled together. And I added lettuce to mine and sour cream and salsa, and then just kind of had it like we normally do our taco salad. But this was really good, and I would totally make this again. So hopefully you enjoyed today's video, and I will see y'all back here tomorrow for that Walmart shop with me. Bye!